What is the stock market? I've heard this question over and over again. Beginner investors asking what the stock market is and how they can start investing. So today I'm going to be explaining to you what the stock market is in very simple terms. So the stock market is a marketplace, like every other marketplace where you go to buy and sell products and services. Except on the stock market, companies and assets are sold. Money flows and exchanges hands on the stock market because people are buying companies, assets, bonds, funds, and making more money. There are three important factors you need to understand about the stock market, which is buyers, sellers, and volume, and the impact they can have on a stock. So when it comes to reading your chart, there's something we call candlesticks, which tells you how a stock is moving. Now, the red candlestick denotes the sellers, whilst the green candlestick denotes the buyers. And then you have the volume, as you can see right here. This determines how a stock price is going to move at any given time. So let's say, for example, a company has done so well and it has done a 500% growth, in the past 1 year, and investors are happy and then they want to take profits, right? When they take profit, what this means is that for that particular stock, for example, let's use Nvidia as an example, there's going to be a lot of sellers, right? Because people are taking profit. Now, the lot of sellers in comparison to the buyers, because people are taking profit, oftentimes they could be equal, right? Almost similar numbers of buyers and sellers. These will probably not have as much impact on the stock price. But in situation where sellers are taking profit and there are lots of sellers as indicated by the volume, then what this does is it literally, takes the stock price down. Now, the reverse is the case as well. Let's say, for example, there are lots of buyers because investors believe in a company and they're optimistic about that company, and then the sellers start buying a stock. That also drives the price high. This is why I always say, whenever you want to buy an asset, you want to be sure that you're doing your proper research and understanding the fundamentals of the company before buying. And this is because consumer sentiments can literally drive stock price up. And we're talking about fundamentals. Examples of things you need to know when performing fundamental analysis include things like who is the CEO of the company, what do they do, what is their revenue, right? What is their mode? So mode basically just means like a mission and vision statement that lets you know what sets that company apart from their competitors, what gives them the competitive advantage, the edge over their competitors. Now, you also want to look at what analysts are saying. What is the analyst forecast on that company? What is the growth rate of that company? What is their profit? So profit and revenue are two different things, right? You want to understand what is their revenue, what is their profit, are they tax compliant, right? Are they offering a solution that people need? Is it a solution that you need? Are they offering a service that you need or a product that you need? If a company is offering a product or a service that people actually need, then this means that they're always going to make money. So example is Novo Nordisk, right? They produce the drug that help people lose weight, right? Now, I am not someone looking to lose weight, but I do know for a fact that they have a huge clientele, a huge market base, a huge market, because there are tons of people that are looking to lose weight and manage their weight. When it comes to investing, the market is a place where you buy and sell. And like every other thing, you need to have an entry price and an exit price. You need to know when to take profit, when to cut your losses, and when to move on. Because again, remember, it is a marketplace and past performance does not guarantee future performance. If you have any questions about this, comment in the comment section and I'm going to do well to answer your questions, and see you guys in the next video.